So in this video, I'm going to show you that how we're going to use this randomness. Randomness means is what that you can see here that I can delete this now because of the scaling thing is gone. So I can right click and break the connection, and you can have this one. Now I can have regular 1000 points I have here, and you can delete this one, delete. And here also you can, everything should be deleted properly. So because of always minimize or clean your scene, and you can see which is not needed, you should not have in your scene, right? So now we have something like this. We have a distribution, fantastic, no problem. But the problem is everything is same. There is no orientation. Everything is like same way. So this is why you have this plus button right here. And click on this plus button, we have a long list, right? So now what you need to have that randomness. So if I click on this randomness, we can see another node or option kind of thing we have here. If I choose it off and on, you can use that. Now what is happening here, you can see we can randomize the position of X, Y, Z, and rotation. We have the scale. We have now we don't need to do anything with scale because of we know how to deal with scaling and all. Because of if you use this scaling, it is going to be stretched out your geometry. I don't recommend you to use that, right? So the scaling thing is like for this one, this distribution, and for position and rotation I use this randomness. Now you can see the Y position. I don't use Y position because of it will displace your geometry upward or like something like that. Because of Y axis means like that only. So now make it 0 so you can see everything is grounded right now. Now we have this rotation in Y 360 is extremely important. I can see that we have randomness in this, but everything is now upward, so I can have a very little bit amount of this 13 and 13, 15, whatever you can, and here also 15. So now you can see we have the randomness, and some boxes are rotated 15 in X, 15 in Y. Randomness is there. This is all randomization. So this is what happens in the real world, that everything is not pointing in the same direction all the time, right? So this is how I can use, and I don't use any another thing that we have here, because I have told you that each and every option is not needed for all the cases you will be building in Maya, right? So this is how you can use this random option for manipulating your positions and your rotations.